Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today is mainly going to be consisting of organizing and cleaning. I thought why not vlog today, because I also love watching videos like that, organizing and cleaning and stuff like that. It just kind of gives me ideas on how to organize my things. I'm just gonna be starting off by cleaning my room and like throwing some trash away. I have to do my bed really quick too. I also had to organize all of that right there. That looks really bad. I also need to clear out this space right here and like organize these things. I'm also almost done decorating my room. There's just like a few things that I'm waiting for in the mail that have taken so long to get here, so that's why I haven't done a room tour yet, but soon. Okay, I just finished and I cleared up this whole space right here, and I decided to change the quote as it's a good day to be happy, and I got that from Pinterest. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish picking up little things around the room, and I'm going to be putting away some clothes and stuff like that. Now that I finished cleaning my room, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the restroom. There's a few things that are unorganized, but I mainly just have to throw away the trash. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now that I finished all the cleaning stuff, I'm going to be organizing my school stuff, planning out my week. I'm gonna get more organized with school and like planning out my week and stuff. I used to use my bullet journal to plan out my week and plan out my videos and stuff like that, but it's a lot of drawing, so I get lazy and I just end up not writing down the stuff that I want to do because I don't feel like drawing everything. Yeah, but I have to get back into that. I think I'm just gonna be using my bullet journal for like video ideas and this big calendar for my school stuff. I got my blue light glasses, I got my water, so we're all set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning and organizing video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys on my next video.